Good morning, everyone. Welcome to video number 2 of my downtown project in the Reach building. Today's install day. We are going to have City Furniture come and deliver all of the furniture today and some of the accessories. So we have some mirrors, some rugs, and some lamps coming in as well. So I'm going to have you tag along with me to see how everything starts coming together. And it's about 8:30 a.m. right now. I am going to grab a cup of coffee and make my way down to downtown Miami, which is probably going to take me a good hour and change because of the traffic. But I am excited to get everything started. Let's go. So it's about 10 a.m. and I just got to downtown. So I have just enough time to grab a cup of coffee before the truck gets here. They're still about an hour away. So I'm gonna have some breakfast, get some energy, and get started upstairs. So since I'm down here, I might as well show you around. If you haven't had a chance to come and visit Brickell City Center in downtown Miami, I strongly suggest you come and spend a day down here. It's absolutely beautiful. This coffee shop goes right into Saks Fifth Avenue, so you can be shopping 1 minute in the beauty department and the fragrance department, and then all of a sudden you're in this really cool coffee shop that has all types of food, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, fresh flowers. It's a beautiful place. There's 2 main streets that run right underneath all of the shops and restaurants. And it's so cool because as you're walking, everything is all connected and it's indoor, outdoor, and it's just a really cool experience. You have the street running under the stores, and then you keep walking and you have 3 levels of restaurants and shopping and coffee shops and ice cream places. It's just a really cool place to spend the day, to walk around and just have a different experience. I love seeing the window displays in these stores. I get a lot of inspiration from this season's fashion trends and the colors that are being used. But as much as I love to shop, it's time to go back upstairs and get back to work. Okay, so just to recap, dining table is going to go in this area here, nice little round table. Here we have the marble server with the set of mirrors on this wall, and then the living room is going to be centered basically right here within this niche. Then we have a nice little chase lounge coming out of this area here. Some bar stools in the kitchen, master bedroom, and rest of bedrooms. I just have to show you this toilet here. This is so cool. It comes with its own remote here. So it comes with a bunch of buttons. Imagine you waking up at night having to try to figure this out to go pee-pee. I mean, hilarious. I don't know if I can get down with a toilet like this. Let's see. Actually, let's play with some buttons, see what it does. Fan. Does your fan? Does it fan your fanny? Okay, that's not doing anything. What these buttons are. Maybe I should stop pressing them just in case the toilet like launches off into space. Okay, I'm done playing. It's a little manatee. Look how cute he is. He's swimming around on a Wednesday morning in beautiful downtown. What a good life. Somewhere over the rainbow is my truck. Somewhere over the rainbow is my delivery truck. There's my truck with all my wonderful furniture. So we are finally done with install day. It's about almost 6 o'clock, so it was a long day, but it was a very productive day. All the furniture came in except 2 pieces that I'm waiting for, but everything else came in beautifully. The delivery went very smooth, and I'm gonna show you around now so you can see all the fabulous pieces we picked out. So as we were shopping last week, we had an idea of keeping everything very sort of Miami modern, light colors like whites and light grays, and keeping it overall just a neutral palette and with clean lines. But as we started shopping, we kind of shifted our design into a more of a transitional, classic modern, still with the clean lines and the neutral colors, but we kept it a little bit more warmer tones. So you see the camel color in the leather bench, the warmer tones in the grays, the walnut woods, and that beautiful black marble server there, which we're eventually going to hang the mirrors above. But overall, we actually shifted the design style to a more of a transitional style, a nice big chunky sofa, which we'll end up putting some pillows and nice artwork above it. And this area was designed to really be more of an entertainment space. There's no TV here, so it's really just when they have guests over or family over and they're just hanging out, having a good time and conversation. So we needed to have enough seating for everyone and a space for dining as well. For the master bedroom, we kept it relatively light and monochromatic. We wanted more of a very relaxing spa feel. These mirrors are the ones that are going in the dining room area above that beautiful black marble server. But the overall idea here was just to keep it monochromatic. You'll see some grays and some beiges in the rug. And we are still waiting for the dresser, and that's that chandelier that's gonna go above the bed. But overall, just keeping it light and very relaxing. This is the TV area, which is the little den, and it's a little corner tucked away between the bedrooms. So we wanted to make it a little fun and funky, and we added a nice turquoise color rug here just to add a pop of color because this area is relatively dark. The lighting is not that great, and we're actually going to keep it that way because it is a TV area. We wanted to keep it kind of cozy. So in the daughter's room, we have the floor mirror delivered, which is really nice. A nice plush gray shag rug and one of the 2 storage beds. I'm still waiting on the second one to come in. But the idea here is we went with a storage bed because we're not going to be using a dresser in this space. So the drawers under the bed are a huge help, especially when she has guests over. For the son's bedroom, we went with a trundle bed, so whenever he has friends over, he could just pull out the trundle and they can hang out and sleep in this space. But I love the way the blues really turned out, the navy blue furniture with the rug, very nice combination. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and stay tuned for part 3 of this video when we start bringing in all the fun accessories, the bedding, the pillows, the artwork, lamps, all the cute little finishing touches that really pull everything together. Stay tuned.